Ang training sa amin, 50, 25, 25.
Ano yung 50, 25, 25?
50% savings, 25% for business, 25% I can spend. So kung kumita ako ng piso, 50 ipon, 25 pang negosyo, 25 pang gastos.
Yun ang pang kain mo, pang pamasahe mo.
So baliktad ako mag-isip.
Hmm.
Para makabili ako ng pisong candy, kailangan kitain ko 4 pesos. So 2 pesos savings, 1 peso for business or investment, 1 peso I can spend. So nadala ko yun. Even to my married life.
Okay.
Pero syempre nagbabago na yung percentage. Pero because of that, when I was still single, I can remember that. Nakatira pa ako sa magulang ko, wala pa naman obligasyon. I was saving 80% of my money. Kasi nga, kaya
wala kang binabayarang upa, kuryente.
Wala. Oo. So during that time, nakabili ako ng 2 kondo. Yun nga, because of the savings that I had.
Watch the full episode on YouTube and Spotify.